actually watching. You've been grafting birds, haven't you?
Yeah, since I was born.
He's a YouTuber, but he's actually grafting birds. That's your fucking...
That's what I try and do.
Okay.
It don't work very often.
Hello? What's your name?
Jared.
My name's Jared. I'm actually grafting birds. I'm fucking sweating as shit, man.
Can you rap?
What?
Can you rap?
Yeah.
Rap for the
Hey. My name's Joe. He is a hoe. I've got a big toe. My name is... Name someone who rhymes with Joe.
Row?
Row. My name's Row. Boom. I shouldn't drop the mic, should I?
Don't drop the mic. Only I get to drop the mic.
I can't believe I met you.
Can't believe you met me.
I'm
no one special.
I don't know what I'm fucking saying. Basically,
I don't know what you're saying either.
Basically, I've been like...
I mean, the camera's over there.
I don't talk to camera because I've been like... I don't know, mate. I'm fucking wankered, mate.
Me too.
You need to try and graft birds, mate.
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Joe.
Joe. Shout out to Joe.
I'm just going to get the fresh air.
Can we be in your video?
Yeah.
Yo! Have you got a YouTube channel?
I do.
What's it called?
Jared Chamber.
Garrett Chamber.
Jared
How many-
Chamber.
Jared, how many subscribers?
3,000.
Make it 3001.
3001.
Yeah. Alright, I'll join you. Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
What's your name?
Katie.
You're fit.
Oh, thank you. You're fit
right.
too.
I know.